Welcome back, guys. It's a part 2 or placement interview question and answer series. There we record the C language interview preparation question which are asked in our placement drive or placement interviews. So we can upload all the possible interview questions in C language. So you can access from our playlist. So let's start. What is the C language? It's the most basic question which is asked in mostly interview questions. Like, C language is a mid-level and procedural programming language. And what the procedural programming language? Procedural programming language is also known as a structured programming language, which is a technique which is broken down our program into smaller parts, or we can say smaller modules, which is easy to track the code and maintain the code. This is known as C language, like mid-level language, procedural language, and it is also structured language. Okay, now we are moving to the next question. What is the typecasting? Typecasting is generally used to convert one data type into the another data type. Okay, then why we use typecasting? We work with the different data type in our program, so we need to be convert one data type to another data type. That we use typecasting. There are two type of typecasting: is implicit typecasting and implicit and explicit typecasting. Okay, implicit typecasting automatically converting by the compiler itself. Then we want other than explicit typecasting, convert explicit typecasting doing by the programmer by itself or by himself. Explicit typecasting, we convert large data type into the smaller data type, and implicit typecasting, we convert smaller data type into the larger data type. Okay, that's it all about typecasting. Okay, you understand what is the typecasting. And then the next question, we move on the conditional statements. What is the conditional statement? Conditional statements are used to control over execution of our program. Okay, and conditional statements also known as decision making statements, because it used to make decisions based on the condition. Okay, then why we use conditional statement, or we say what are the importance of the conditional statement? It provides flexibility. How flexibility provide? It gives our programs execution, gives us control of the execution and control flow. It gives control to execution, which part of our program executed, and problem solving. On the based on condition, we can change our program output. Then it known comes in problem solving. And types of conditional statement, there are three types mostly. First, in if statement, and if else statement, and if else nested if else, we can say. Now move on next question. What is the use of printf and scanf function in C language? Okay, printf function is used to print the integer character or string values on a screen. Okay, or we can say printf function is used to print the values on console or screen. Okay, then what is the scanf function? Scanf function is used to take input from the user. We can take input from the user, scanf function. Then next question is, what is the format specifier? Format specifier are the special characters in C language which is used to specify what the type of data we want to read or taking input from the user, and print the console using functions like printf and scanf. And there are some examples of format specify: %d using for the integer value, %c for the character value, and other one. Move on the next question. What is the difference between local variable and global variable? First one we see local variable. What is local variable? Local variable are the variable which are declared inside the block or function, which is known as local variable. And the scope of the local variable is inside that function or block. We cannot access outside the function or block for a local variable. And in global variable are declared outside the program, outside the function or the block. We can access global variable in or program anywhere, and the life of the variable of the global variable is until the or program is run. And next question is, what is the use of static variable in C? What is the static variable is declared with the static keyword. Okay, then static variables is return its value between the multiple function calls, because the static variable initialize only once in the memory. If that's it can retain its value in multiple function calls. Okay, then the static variables scope is available in our all program, so we can access in all program. And it's all for today. We meet in next. Thank you for watching.